Bonjour et bienvenue à French Learning Classes. So in this video, I will teach you les pronoms sujet et tonics. That means subject pronouns and pronoun tonics. So first of all, I will tell you that what is subject pronoun. A subject is a noun or pronoun. It can be the person or thing which perform the action of that particular verb. Okay. So if you don't know that what is subject pronoun in detail, then you can watch my video about subject pronoun and link in the description box. So you can check it from there. Okay, so in this video I will tell you that subject tonics, which is les pronoms sujet et tonics. Okay. So what is tonics? Tonics means complex pronouns. So they used with or in place of subject or object, and it must agrees with number and gender. So now here we learned that les pronoms sujet et tonics. Okay, indeed. So subject pronouns. Okay. Here are the subject pronoun, which is je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay. And these are the tonics. Okay, which are used with or in place of subject or object. So tonics is moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, o, elle. Okay, and in English, me, you, him, her, we, or we can say us, you and them. So je means I. Okay, je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, nous means we, vous means you in a formal way, and il means they, and elle means also they, but il is used for masculine and elle is used for feminine. Okay, so now with je we use moi, okay, as a tonic. Okay, in the place of je we use moi, which means me. Moi means me. Now tu. With tu we use toi. Okay. With tu we use toi, and toi means you. Okay. Now il. With il we use lui, and lui means him. Okay. With elle we use lui. Lui means him. And with elle means, sorry, with elle we use elle. Same. Okay. Elle and elle means her. Okay. With nous we use nous, same, and which means we or us. And with vous we use vous, again same, and which means you, but it is used for formal way, vous. And il means, with il we use o, okay,eux we use o, and this means them, okay, and this is used for masculine plural, okay. And L, with L we use L, which is also same, and it means them, and it is used for feminine plural. Okay, so moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, o, il. These are the tonics, and these you can learn by heart. Okay, you will understand this, and then you will learn it. Okay, so now we will see that how to use tonics in sentences. Okay, so this is the exercise number 1. Dash je suis américain. Okay, je suis américain. So with je we use moi as a pronom tonic. Okay, we use moi as a pronom tonic. Moi je suis américain. Okay, moi, that means me, I am American. Moi je suis américain. Now second, with ils sont au théâtre. Okay, ils sont au théâtre, which means they go to theater. Okay, with il, this is a masculine plural. Okay, so with il we use o,eux, o. So o, ils sont au théâtre. Now third, elle dash est italien. Okay, so with elle we use elle, which is same, we use elle. So elle est italien. Okay, which means she is Italian. She is Italian. Now fourth, dash nous travaillons ici. Okay, which means we work here. So with nous we use nous. We use nous. nous के साथ nous use करते हैं. So nous travaillons ici. Now next, vous venez à 20 heures. Vous venez à 20 heures. So with vous, we use vous again. Okay. So these are the pronotonics which we filled up. So now sixth is dash else mange au restaurant. Okay. So with L we use L, same. Okay. We use L. Elle mange au restaurant. Okay. Now 7. Dash Vincent tu aimes le chocolat. Okay. Which means Vincent, you like the chocolate. Okay. So with tu is the subject pronoun, and with tu we use toi. Toi as a tonic. Okay. Toi, Vincent, tu aimes le chocolat. Okay. Now 8th is dash il est japonais. Okay. He is Japanese. So with il is the subject pronoun, and with il we use what? Lui. With il we use lui. Okay. So lui, il est japonais. So these are the prono sujet et pronotonics, and you learn it, practice it with exercise. Okay, and please subscribe, like and share this video more and more, and I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.